Okay, in this session we will simulate a type C chopper which is normally used for regenerative braking. So we have used two IGBTs S1 and S2. Input supply is 250 volt DC. G1 and G2 are the firing pulses of these two IGBTs. D is your diode and FD acts as a freewheeling diode. As you can see, the output load of this chopper is R, L and E. E is 125 volt, L is 1 millihenry and resistance is of 3 ohms. So this you can model, you can say that output is a DC machine or can be modeled by a RLE load. G1 and G2 are taken such that the chopper acts as a type C chopper when S1 is on, S2 is off, and when S2 is on, S1 is off. So first current flows from battery to switch S1 through the load and back to the supply, and in the second case the inductor gets a discharging path through a freewheeling diode. So let's see the output of this circuit. So when we simulate this simple circuit, you can observe the output. This one is your current, output current. So output current is negative minus 15 ampere to positive 15 ampere. So current is varying from minus to plus, whereas output voltage is varying from 80 volt to 170 volt. Here you can see again, input voltage is positive, current is also positive. Output current is positive and negative, whereas output voltage remains positive. So this chopper is working in two quadrants. First one when voltage and current are positive, and second one when current is negative whereas voltage is positive. In the case when voltage and current are positive, the power is delivered from the supply to the load, and when the load current becomes negative, the load is giving back its power to the supply. So this is the reason this chopper is basically used for regenerative braking. This lecture is demonstrated by Professor A.K. Tyagi. For further assistance and query, you can go to MATLAB and Simulink for Engineers.